What's up everybody, welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be working on the Grom. I know you're waiting for that Ruckus content, it is coming. I am picking up the wheels and the paint job this week. So that means this weekend I will be getting to the Ruckus build, which I know if you're as excited as I am, this is going to be awesome. Like, I can't wait for this thing to come together. For today, I'll be putting on a eBay fairing kit for my 2020 Honda Grom. If you haven't seen my Grom, I had put it in a couple videos. You can go ahead and I'll put the links below, you can check it out. I picked up a red 2020 Grom. I did a stretch kit, exhaust, handlebars, everything, lowered it. The next thing I'm doing right now is this eBay fairing kit. I've already ordered one, which I'm not sure if I went over it or not in the last video. I went to put it on, the fitment was terrible. I reached out to the company, they assured me the fitment was good. The Grom has a lot of cut edges on it, and with this new set, it did not meet those edges. So I sent that back to, I don't even remember where I got it from, South Korea or something like that. And I picked up this one. I'm gonna give this one a shot. So far the color matches up. The only thing I noticed is that this white piece right here shows through. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this eBay kit on, make sure everything's good. It did come with instructions, which is good. And then from there, I can take it back off at any point, and then I am going to either plasti dip this, the matte black, or I'm going to vinyl wrap it matte black. I'll do that at a later date. I just want to make sure that the fitment's good before I get into that and waste my time. So, on that note, let's get this started.
Yeah, yeah. And you don't stop, and you won't stop.
Alright, so there you have it. The right side is on. The color matches almost spot on between the matte black and everything. So a few things I noticed is in the instructions they give you, right here is not English. I don't know what that is, but where they tell you to put the bolts, I don't know, they don't really have, they just show like lines going to it, but it's not where at least I thought it was. So one bracket actually goes to where the clutch cable is here, goes into the same bracket there. That goes to this one. This gets self-tapped into the plastic. This one goes into your existing bolt. That was where the white piece is. And then the bottom one goes your second bolt down right underneath the O from the Honda in the bottom of the case here. So you can see it is sturdy. That is not going anywhere. The two things that I noticed, which I was expecting worse, is actually better than I thought. So that's where you see the white right in there. So I am gonna either plastic dip or vinyl, and then just that little bit right there. So as long as I can match that with black, I think it'll look great. Step back for a side profile. Personally, that looks really good. It makes it look so aggressive, and I'm happy that I didn't go lower with the front because that is sitting low right now. What I will do next is change the fork oil in the front because they use like a 20 weight, I believe, so I'm going to go to a 30 weight. But otherwise, I'm actually pretty impressed with this fitment considering it's the eBay part, and especially for the color match. They did a really good job with it. So what I'm going to do is move to the other side, do a time lapse of that, go over anything if I need to, and I will put the link for this eBay kit. They had all the different colors. They have it for the SFs and the OGs, but I think I've seen only one video on YouTube for this, so I figured I'd just kind of do my own. So I'm gonna get to the other side. Like I said, I'll put the link below for this part if you are interested in it. I got it within about 5 days, and that's during this whole COVID crisis, so that's not too bad at all. And let's get cracking.
Yeah, and you don't stop, and you won't stop, and you don't stop.
Alright, so now I have the left side on. This side was a little bit more complicated. The directions don't show which brackets go where, at least mine didn't. So basically what I did was, I knew that this one went right here, so I put that in, and then used the 2 brackets to determine what went where. So this one goes right in here. It's a little long bracket. Now the brackets do say left and right, so at least you can base it off that. So I knew that these 2 were both for the left of the bike because they had the L. So I lined up this one and then the other one to see which one fit best. This one lined up here, the other one right here, and then that's it for that side. I did the 4 bolts right here that hold the plastic together. Now the fitment on this side is not as good, so you still see, of course, a little bit of the white, which that's not what I'm talking about with the fitment. This is all good. It fits the body lines really well up until right here. So from the top perspective, you can see you have a little gap like this, which I'm wondering if I heat and bring in, will it stay? Regardless, I'm going to do matte black on the inside here so it kind of fades away. This isn't, I'm not trying to make this a show bike. It's not like my Ruckus. It's not like the new Ruckus I'm building either. This is kind of just to have fun and play around with. So I'm just kind of throwing some parts at it. This is basically the last thing I'm doing other than a seat. I have a seat cover coming in from Cheeky Seats that I'm putting on, and then that's it. I'm just gonna ride this thing, enjoy it, do some moto vlogs with some of the other Grom guys, and this way I'll have both Ruckus content and Grom content. Overall, I would give this probably a 6 or 7 out of 10. For the price you pay and the look you get, it's not bad at all. The color matching, I'm not sure if it shows on the camera, is good. The fitment, like I said, on this side, beautiful, minus that little gap. This side, you have that gap right there. That's my only concern, which will disappear once I make that matte black, or the satin black, whatever it is. But I mean, there it is. It definitely changes the look of the bike. Super happy with it. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. I get a kick out of one y'all keep saying we need to get a GoFundMe for Burnout Bobby so we can get him a motorcycle lift. Man, if you could make that happen, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, have a good day, guys. Take care.